Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very cute Popstick album. This is a Popstick pop-up album for the birthday. So when you will open it, it will get opened like this. Isn't it very cute idea? So I have created total 4 pop-up panels, and in each panel I have added one tag to add extra photos or messages. So I will show you each and every step with a step-by-step procedure. So let's get started. For this we need scissor, some pop sticks or ice cream sticks, half cut pearls, one pen which is not working, pencil, ruler, one paintbrush, yellow, green and black acrylic color, liquid glue, one black marker, red, blue, green and yellow thick sheet, and some pattern papers. First I am taking this red color paper which measures 20 by 20 centimeters. First fold this in half. Again fold it in half. Now just take your scissor and cut from one side till the center. Now take this and just fold like this on upper edge. Fold it on other side. So this is a pop-up panel. Isn't it very easy? So we will connect this side with this. Now I am just decorating this using some pattern papers which measures 9 by 9 centimeter. So this is done. Now I am taking one semicircle and just drawing this on back side of this side in the center part. Just cut this semicircle. So when we will connect it, we can insert the tag easily. In the same way, I have created 3 more panels using blue, yellow and green color combination. So we have 4 panels. Now I am just making some embellishment for the birthday decoration like cupcake, ice cream cones, bars and some balloons. So just enjoy this embellishment part, and if you have any doubt you can ask me freely in comment section. Now I will add all these embellishments on all 4 panels. To decorate the corners, I have cut some triangles using all 4 shades. So I am adding these triangles in the corner for each panel. So the decoration is done. Now I am taking some red color paper strips which measures 10 by 2 cm. Now fold all 3 strips first. Cut corners. Now just add glue on these strips and connect with the right corner flap from the back side. Now just add glue on these strips again and connect this side with the upper fold like this. So the pocket is ready. In the same way I have created pockets in all 3 panels. Now I will connect all 4 panels with each other. So this is done. Now I am taking some ice cream sticks or popsicle sticks. Add glue on this blue color panel first from outer side and start adding these sticks one by one. In the same way I will add sticks on back side. Now I am taking some 9 by 9 centimeter tags and I have added ribbon on top of this. So just insert these tags in each pocket. Like this. Now I am taking some yellow and green acrylic color and painting these ice cream sticks. Let it dry for some time. So this is done. In the same way I have colored the back side of the album. Now I am creating some tree branches, some birds and some leaves using black acrylic color. To create this small painting I am using 000 number round brush. So this is done, let it dry. Now I am taking 2 red color quilling flowers. These are made using quilling leaf shape, and also I have created one leaf using 3 green color strips. Now I am adding these flowers and leaf in the upper corner. You can add any kind of flower to decorate this. Now I am adding some half cut pearls in the lower corner. Now I am adding this happy birthday handwritten tag like this. So the cute and beautiful ice cream stick or popsicle sticks album using pop-up panels for birthday is ready. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.